Welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we're going for a test drive in a 1970 Nova. This one here does not have power steering on it. It does have front disc brakes, a 400 under the hood. We're going to be taking it down the road, pointing out any kind of flaws so you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. Jump on over to maplemotors.com for shipping, financing, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. And we update that website with new cars every Monday. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that. You can see classic cars for sale daily. You could also hit the notification bell to let you know and alert your phone every time I post it. That way you'll be one of the first to see these rides. All right, guys, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Okay, we're gonna look around the car before we take off here. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think the horn works on this one? This one smells like new vinyl. I think the seats have been replaced here fairly recently. That, or maybe it's the headliner. I don't know. Something smells brand new up in here. We'll go ahead and start it up. This one does have a cold start. Doesn't have the choke on it. I don't believe it's engaging. So you gotta sit in here with your foot on it, let it warm up. We got it to about 160 now. The volts are up, the oil pressure's at 25. Once you rev it, it goes all the way up to almost 60. You got a tag down here showing 55,000 miles, and we're gonna get gas for sure. Windshield wipers work and they fly, but does the horn? Horn works. Big tint strip up top. Don't need a visor. Who needs visors? Okay, let's see how she drives down the road. Anything I see that's wrong with it, I'll let you know. All right, getting ready to take off down the road. First thing I noticed, the seat belts are kind of intertangled here. They may be able to be untangled or whatever, but they're in here, but I can't get them to wrap around. I mean, they're pretty much right there and right there. It's not coming up in front of me. So we're gonna take off down the road. Anything that I see, just like the seat belts, I will point out and let you know about them. No power steering on this one. Let's see. Here we go. And we're definitely going to stop and get some gas because it's on E. The car is pulling to the left. If I let go of the steering wheel, I'll be in the fast lane. See if our kickdown's hooked up. I don't believe it is. Speedometer's coming up. Throttle feels nice and smooth. It's pulling hard. Like I said, that steering is pulling us to the left there. There's a little bit of slack in it too, about that much. Let's hit the brakes. Brakes are touchy, but they're fast. They stop fast. Turn signals are popping up on the dash here on both sides. Let's go ahead and stop and get gas now. I don't want to run out. Okay, guys, we'll be checking this gas gauge out as well, making sure it works. All right, coming up on the back here, this is where we put the gas in. We're gonna throw about $20 worth of fuel in there and check this gas gauge out. All right, jumping off in the car here, go start it up. So the gas gauge was on E before we got here. Now we're looking pretty good. Gas gauge is working. We were almost out of gas before. We got some miles now. Okay, so we've been cruising around the parking lot. Everything's good. Engine temperature's at 160. Oil pressure's still at 25. Engine temperature's kind of like 165 now. Going up right there in the middle of it, so far so good. We did our parking lot drive around. We've been here about 10-15 minutes. Now we're gonna head on back to the car lot. A little squeaky noise coming from under the front end here. The main issue on this car is the pull to the left, like this, pulling us off the middle of the road here. Definitely have to get that fixed and checked out after if I was to buy the car, obviously. Engine temperatures actually came down a little bit. I'm wondering if the temp gauge is off. And it came down to about 150 now. Shouldn't be that low. Definitely staying cool. Hear that squeak? Probably really hear it over the speed bump. I'll point out the speed bump. It kind of gives you an idea on suspension the best I can through a video. We're coming up here. It is right here. Squeaked right over it. Sounds like the front left over here. We're pulling back in the lot. I do appreciate you riding along with me. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos like this every day. All right, guys, I appreciate you riding along with me. If you're new to the channel, like I said, hit that subscribe button. You can also hit that notification, and it'll let you know anytime I post a car for sale. Join us over at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures of every car on the lot. We update every Monday with new inventory. We have financing and shipping available, plus wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I want to thank y'all for watching. Be sure to look for that walk around video. I'll link it to the last 30 seconds of this one. Y'all have a good one. Later, guys.